they want to do it, it seems fun, but they get scared.
Yeah.
They get real scared because they think, I can't do it. Well, why not you? What you're doing here, this is value. This is what you're going to talk about in interviews. This is where you're going to get recruited out of.
I'm a robotics PhD student at Georgia Tech. I started in 8th grade. My middle school had started a Sea Perch group, getting to see like how you can just take parts and make them into a fully functioning like electronic device. I actually did 2 internships at Scripps. And that was largely due to like the experiences I got through RoboBoat.
I was afraid to talk to people in general. I was the type of person who wouldn't ask teachers questions, but now like I'm comfortably talking to you. I go up to the other teams here and they are all like the most welcoming people in the world. The community's really helped me build my confidence.
My middle school had a Sea Perch program, and that's where it got all started. Building, like actually designing, changing that base model to fit the specific tasks that we had to accomplish. That was my favorite part, but I still love it, and I'm still here learning every day. And I decided to go to college and look for a team there, keep going forward, like never leave it, never take a break. The ideas keep flowing, you get better and better, you keep learning, and you keep making the best decisions every time. It actually gets wonderful. Like once you're in it and you keep for the long run, you see the results.
I never would have thought I'd even know how to touch a LiDAR before now, or why fiberglass is so important in holes. Like it's crazy. And I've seen myself, like when I go through and have a machine learning class that's very general, I immediately pick it up because I did this real life application of all these crazy concepts.
You have a lot of team members that are here, and I think a few of them are still back in Singapore, right? Just any messages for the team members at home?
Yeah, I guess everyone should be very happy, like seeing our work and doing things successfully. So
I'm sure they are.
I personally, I'm like really happy, and I think you guys are very happy too.